don't subscribe to this channel. Don't like this video unless you want to ruin your algorithm. Do comment down below on all the ways I'm doing it wrong. And don't tell me the right way to do it. I'm recording this on a $20 mic from Amazon that's holding onto a chopstick right now. I am not the guy you take advice from. Welcome to Salty. I just bought a 1998 2.4 liter 4-cylinder 5-speed manual Toyota Tacoma base. This is a dream come true for me. Ever since I was like 10 years old, I've just always wanted to have a truck like this. Okay, real talk, I am not a mechanic. I've never worked in a shop. I've never went to trade school. I have no idea what I'm doing. Take everything here with a grain of salt. I live in Northwest Florida. The water is salty. The people are salty. The Walmarts are salty. It's a lot of salt and spicy. I've always wanted to learn how to work on cars. I've never taken the time to actually do that. So I decided I'm going to just start. If you've been on the fence about starting a creative project, learning how to work on a car, playing music, or start a business in something that you're really passionate about, just do it already. Seriously, I want to see more of you guys out here. I've put together a list of 5 reasons about why I'm doing this. To quote the great James Humphreys, because I have to. I've been driving legally 20-ish years now. I've gone into debt for cars, paid off cars, bought cars with cash. I've never looked back on my life and said, man, I'm really glad I went into debt for that car. It just doesn't happen. Don't ever do that. It's lame. Never in the history of man has there been a better time to go out and buy an old car and learn how to fix it up. By paying cash for a car and not leveraging myself feels good. I can sleep better at night. Reason number 2, because I want to learn.
If you've got a good trade, chances are you've already got a good job. If you haven't, better get one. Auto mechanic. Now there's a good trade. At Apex Tech, we've got a 6-month training program for auto mechanics. It's thorough because we work you hard.
I live in a part of Northwest Florida where there is a trade school that will teach you how to work on cars, but they only offer classes during the daytime, Monday through Friday. I can't quit a full-time day job just to go chase a full-time day job that I have to pay. Moving is not an option. My wife and kids, the school, it wouldn't be a financially wise decision. If I was 16 years old, I would totally go make $10 an hour changing oil in any kind of shop. I'm not doing this for the money. This is how I want to spend some of my free time, to learn how to maintain and restore my vehicle. Reason number 3, because it's fun to drive.
Power. Harness it and nothing stands in your way. Introducing Toyota Tacoma, a powerful new line of champion trucks. Only Tacoma 4x4's 190 horsepower V6 outmuscles the leading competition's best. Only Tacoma 4x2's 4-cylinder engine outruns the leading competition's V6s. And only Tacoma gives you class-leading payloads. Standard. Toyota Tacoma, the arrival of the fittest.
Driving in a new car today sometimes just feels like you're in a box and nothing's really happening. And that's not a bad thing, but there is just nothing like getting in an old Toyota Tacoma, getting on the 3-mile bridge with the windows rolled down, headed to the beach. It just feels good. You can feel the road, you can feel the bridge, you can feel the imperfections, you can hear the motor running. And I kind of like that more than just feeling like I'm in some sort of a box that doesn't feel like anything. Maybe when I'm older, I won't want to feel the road so much, but right now I actually do. That's part of the fun of having an old car, feeling more connected to the road and the vehicle. Reason number 4, because it's practical. There are a lot of people out there who need a big truck to tow a trailer full of windows or steel or concrete. I'm not one of those people. I don't need to tow anything. It's not practical for me. I mean, have you seen my tools here? Reason number 5, because it's a piece of history. I've posted some screenshots from Facebook from the guy I bought it from. If you're interested in a little bit more of the backstory, go check that out. The fact that this truck has been on the road since I was a kid just is incredible. These things have stories. These things have stood the test of time. Now that I'm here, I feel a greater sense of responsibility to be a good steward of the pieces of history that are in my care right now. So what's next? I'm going to make a list of all the things that I need to do with the truck, and I'm going to work my way from the inside out. Right now, it's just at about 240,000 miles. I want to get it to 1,000,000 miles. OEM parts and original as much as possible. Part of the story that I'm going to be telling here isn't just about me doing it all by myself. It's about going out and making personal connections with professionals in this field that already know what they're doing. Learning how to network with your professional community in this space. I'm going to leave you with some final thoughts. There has never been a better time in history for people who want to pursue something to just go do it. Library cards are free. The internet is full of abundant information. If you've never done anything like this before, it's going to feel slow and uncomfortable, but just do it. Seriously. And if you are doing that right now, but you're feeling discouraged or just stuck, keep going. Don't quit. So come on, get out here. Let's do this. Kick it in gear. So what if the suspension is shot? Have you seen my truck? That thing rocks harder than a double-decker hearse on a country road. You got this. Don't quit on us. The world needs you to show up and share what you know. This is your call to action to just get off your butt, get out there, and just do it. And if that sign wasn't good enough for you, here's another one. It's an owl. This is your sign to just start.